In this world, it is very easy for anyone to understand that the relationship between a teacher and a student, if you see, if the student is punctual, respectful, attentive in the class, and participative, obedient to the teacher, affectionate to the teacher, and fulfills all the expectations of the teacher, and adores and admires the teacher, then the relationship between the teacher-student comes out very well. And the student becomes a very meritorious student, you will see that. In the same manner, between husband and wife, if a wife is coming from a very cultured family, just like Devahuti, for example, shy, very submissive, very obedient, cooperative, understanding, and she adores the husband, admires the husband, affectionate to husband, and eager to serve more than expect more. Such a submissive and obedient and respectful and affectionate and service-oriented wife naturally gets a place in the heart of the husband. In the same manner, you will see when you are washing a hand with soap, you have applied the soap. After that, what do you need?
Water.
Water is needed. If you little bit pour water, little water you keep pouring and then keep doing the hand like this, then the soap produces lather very nicely. And then when you pour a lot of water, it just washes away all the impurities in the hand. Similarly, the chanting of the holy name is available, but it has to be watered by the attentive hearing and devotional emotion. These two things are the water. When there is a devotional emotion arising in the heart, which is actually a form of early stage of affection and adoration of the Lord. And that is there, and attentive hearing shows obedience and respect. Like I told you, a student is respectful, attentive, submissive, obedient to the teacher. So this is attentiveness aspect. Kintu adarat anadinam kalu sevajushta. And another aspect is the student is having adoration for the teacher, admiration for the teacher. The student has affection for the teacher. And a student praises the teacher. So that is the devotional love aspect. Whether it is a teacher-student or whether it is husband-wife. Similarly, a wife, respectful, attentive in serving the husband, cooperative, understanding, and hardworking, and submissive and shy. So that is the attentiveness aspect. And wife's admiration for the husband's greatness, and wife's adoration, appreciation, and wife feels grateful for having obtained such a husband, and then she has affection for the husband. So these things constitute the devotional love, devotional emotion. So when these two aspects are mixed in these two relationships of teacher-student or husband-wife, as it comes. Similarly, when you wash the hand with soap, soap is like the holy name. It's very powerful cleaning agent. But when you add some water to that, then only it washes the hand thoroughly. Impurities are driven out. Similarly, we may chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. It's like a dry soap, and there is no devotional emotion going into it, nor is the respectfulness for Lord Krishna, attentiveness, carefulness, submission, obedience, fear to disobey. If that is not there, then we wonder why the holy name is not acting. I think some problem is there in holy name. People say holy name has no problem. Holy name is powerful only. So there is some agent that is missing. Like for example, imagine if a wife is married to a husband, she's yelling at the husband, like that she's yelling sometimes. Like somebody was telling, they went to somebody's house, battered the door was slightly open, they opened the door. The wife is sitting in the front with jeans and t-shirt. Kya chahiye bolo? Where is husband? The husband is washing my sari inside. So your wife is taking the lead in the house and husband is behind her. So what kind of relationship will it be? She has no respect for the husband. She is criticizing the husband. No adoration for his greatness. What to speak of submissiveness and shyness and adoration, admiration, respect and attentiveness in serving. First of all, serving only is not there. Are you serving? Isn't it? In the same manner in teacher-student relationship, nowadays in colleges, teachers are suffering. The students are not coming to classes. They are not, because now everything is available on net. It's the age of information explosion. Students don't come and sit in the class. The teachers are wondering what to do. So no respect for the teacher, no attentiveness in class. First of all, class, they are not there in class. Where is attentiveness? Isn't it? No attentiveness, no respect, no obedience, and no adoration, admiration, greatness of the teacher. So that affection is not there. Then how can students really assimilate the subject? How they can digest the subject and become, gain mastery over the subject? How can they gain? Not possible. Same with the holy name, chanting of the holy name. One should know, like Arjuna is having respect for Krishna. Param Brahma, Param Dhamma, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan, Purusham, Shashvatam, Divyam, Adidevam, Ajam Vibhum, Ahustvam Rishayahas Sarve. Not only I am telling you are so great, Krishna. Devarishir, Naradas Tatha, Asito, Devalo, Vyaso, Swayam Chaiva Praveshime. Many great sages like Asita, Devala, Vyasa, Narada, they are all saying, now you yourself are saying you are the Supreme Lord. I am also observing. And then he is saying, Sarvam etad vritam manye, yanmam vadasi Keshava, nahi te bhagavan taktim vidur devana danavaha. And then he is saying in this, he is saying that the great devatas also get bewildered, like Indra and Brahma also. He says, no one can understand who you are, your greatness. Sarvam etad vritam manye, yanmam vadasi Keshava. Whatever you say, Krishna, I accept. I am your servant. You order me, I will fulfill. So there is obedience. Therefore, Krishna also says, yes, Bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahashyam hetaduttamam. You are my bhakta, you are my friend, you have added the water with the soap, now we have proper consciousness, now I will give myself to you. So, the wife giving herself to husband and husband giving himself to wife, or the student giving oneself to teacher and teacher giving oneself to the student, or the devotee giving wholeheartedly oneself to the Lord's lotus feet, and then the Lord giving himself to the devotee. These things come out very powerful through the medium of respect and affection. Through these things. So chanting of the holy name is not a mechanical, dry activity. Somehow or other, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, it's not like that. It has to be done with that's what kintu adarat anudinam kalusaiva jushta swadvi kramat bhavati tadgata moolahantri. That's one verse talking about respect and attentiveness. Another verse, Tesham satata yuktana bhajatam priti purvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam yena mamapayantite. You are calling my name with affection, devotional emotion. I will give you the buddhi and get you back to my abode. Because you have the right attitude. Your chanting is attractive to me, Krishna says. Then I will bring you back to my abode. So these two factors are very vital factors in attracting the attention of Lord Krishna and getting a place in his heart. Respect and devotional emotion combined with the chanting of the holy name. Harinam Prabhu ki